Hi guys, my name is Anne. I'm from China, and together with this guy. Hi Felix!
Hey Anne! And hey guys, my name is Felix and I'm from Sweden.
We were a devoted duo that were tired of the old and boring ways to learn Chinese.
So together we built a unique course through real-world videos that lets you experience the Chinese culture along the way and also gives you a very strong foundation that scales throughout the whole course. And Anne, I'm so excited to show them the app. Can I just go ahead and do it already now?
Yeah, sure. Good luck everyone.
Let's go. Our lessons are only about 20 minutes long, so they'll fit right into your daily commute. Every video is only about 2 minutes long and is followed up by a quiz to keep you on your toes. We made this our live project, so in total there's more than 200 hours of beautiful video material, divided into 20 different levels and a few additional courses like an HSK prep course as well. You can also download all our videos and study the whole course offline if that better suits your needs. We believe education should be for everyone, so we let our own students decide what they're able to and want to pay. Our number one goal is just to help people learn Chinese. So make the right choice now, join the Domino family and experience how Chinese can be made both easy and fun as well. Right, Anne?
Yeah, join our Domino family. And what do you guys think?
Yeah!
Yeah.
Join the Domino family!
Join the Domino family!
Domino family. Join the
Domino
Family. Yeah, join the Domino family.
Hello.